Hi students, in this video I am going to explain characteristics of an entrepreneur. Before learning about the characteristics of an entrepreneur, you have to learn these important points regarding entrepreneur. I already said in the introduction, before writing the characteristics, you have to write the introduction of an entrepreneur, meaning of an entrepreneur, definition of an entrepreneur, and meaning of an entrepreneurship and definition of an entrepreneurship. And these important points also you have to write before writing the characteristics of an entrepreneur. So let's see the important points. In the modern world of globalization, entrepreneur plays a very important role in the economic development of the country. How he plays a very important role in the economic development of the country? We all know that unemployment is a big problem India is facing today. So the government cannot create jobs to each and every person. So that is the reason government encourages the entrepreneurship. India needs entrepreneurs. That means if one entrepreneur start the business means that is not only creation of one job, that creation of 100 jobs, because he gives some employment to the people so that they can earn some money. Everyone earns some money like this means that leads to the development of the economic development of the country. So like that they play a very important role in the economic development of the country, and they make it possible through their action, not through their words. They do not talk unnecessarily. They make it possible through their actions, and they do things in a completely new way. The success of an entrepreneur largely depends on his intelligence and capacity and imagination, so that they do things completely in a new way. And you give them any job, they do it with perfection. If you give any job to them, they do it with perfection. Nothing is impossible for them. They respond positively to the situation and tell, certainly I can do this. Then they get busy and find out how to do it. If you give anything, they respond positively and they tell, certainly I can do this. And he must have some important qualities. Every entrepreneur has some important qualities, and no two entrepreneurs are alike. No two persons are alike. Like no two entrepreneurs are alike. Entrepreneurial qualities are inborn. However, some qualities can be increased by training and experience. See, we can see in our surroundings some of our friends having more qualities than us. We don't know how it is, because they are sitting beside us only, but they have more knowledge than us. So some qualities are inborn. So like that, some entrepreneurial qualities are inborn. By birth, they have like that qualities. So, however, some qualities can be increased by training and experience. In our life also, we can get some qualities through our experience. So, his success depends more on hard work than good luck. He must be a doer, not a dreamer. The only capacity very essential to become an entrepreneur is the willing to hard work. That means hard work is very important than good luck. So these are the points you have to mention before writing the characteristics of an entrepreneur. There are certain characteristics or features which make an entrepreneur successful in his venture. So this is the diagram of characteristics of an entrepreneur. So in this side heading you have to write one by one like this and explain again one by one here. So hard work. First one is hard work. Entrepreneurs are hard workers. Very few people in this society work harder than the entrepreneurs. That means a successful entrepreneur is one who is willing to work hard from the beginning of his enterprise. And second one is prudence. Prudence means wisdom, common sense. So every entrepreneur must be prudent in all his dealings. In each and every business, some pitfalls are there. Pitfalls means problems. So the entrepreneur must take some suitable measures to overcome these pitfalls in his business. And achievement motivation. This is very important characteristics of an entrepreneur, since all the other characteristics originate from this motivation. So he must have a strong desire to achieve high goals in his business. And next one is self-confidence. Entrepreneurs believe themselves. So they strongly believe that they can beat anyone in this field. So a successful entrepreneur wants to follow his own routine, policies and procedures. He doesn't like to be guided by others, and he doesn't like to be work for others. And next one is highly optimistic. Highly optimistic means positive thinking. A successful entrepreneur always optimistic in his future. He never disturbed by the present problems. So always he is thinking a favorable situation in his business. Hence he is able to run his business successfully in the midst of temporary problems. And next one is planning and organizing ability. So an entrepreneur is a strong believer in planning. He must be able to supervise and control the people who are working in the organization, and he is able to develop the plan for smooth running of his business. So for that he has to ask some questions. That means what to do, when to do, how to do, by whom a work to be accomplished. So the answers will determine his future work. And next one is innovativeness. So entrepreneurs are tend to tackle unknown. That means entrepreneurs are more than inventors, because inventor just originates the invention, whereas entrepreneur must go further by using this invention commercially. For example, who invented the Microsoft? Bill Gates. Bill Gates is not only originates the Microsoft, he is using that invention commercially. And risk taking. So every new business gives risk for an entrepreneur. So he may succeed or failure. He don't know the way it will be. So he takes risk. And the next one is secrecy maintenance. So the successful entrepreneur must be capable to maintain all his business secrets. So leakage of business secrets leads to the downfall of the business. So that is the reason entrepreneur should be very careful in selecting his subordinates. And next one is maintenance of public relations. So maintenance of public relations or human relations has to play a very important role success or failure of the entrepreneur. So maintaining good relation with his customers, for promoting his entrepreneur has to maintain good relations with his customers for promoting his future sales. And communication skills. Communication skills are the most important quality of an entrepreneur. It means a successful entrepreneur must have the communication skills. So a successful entrepreneur secret is best communication skills. If he has a best communication skills or good communication skills, he win his customers very easily for promoting his future sales. So these are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. At the end you have to write the conclusion. For examples, above are the characteristics of an entrepreneur, and without these characteristics no entrepreneur can get the success. So like that conclusion, anyway you can write within one sentence conclusion. So this is about characteristics of an entrepreneur. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.